Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be traveling related and Disney related, so hopefully you guys like both of those things. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. But yeah, so I have a trip to Disney planned. I have my little Disney ears on, as you can see, and I'm very excited for it, and I've been packing and planning outfits for a long time now, so I wanted to bring you guys along with me and let you guys know what I'm packing, what I'm wearing each day in the parks, what I'm wearing at night for like any other kind of events that we do, and just what I'm packing. So I wanted to do a pack with me sort of video. In my next videos I will have a Disney vlog, so be sure to subscribe down below if you don't want to miss that. But without further ado, let's get into my crazy packing process. Okay guys, so here is what we have going on for packing my outfits. First of all, excuse the mess in the corners of the room. I just have some like shoe boxes and stuff sitting around. So I just kind of laid out all of my outfits so you guys could see kind of what I'm thinking for Disney. So for our first outfit right here, we just have a little white and pink moment. I'm thinking about wearing this for Magic Kingdom or something like that. You guys can let me know in the comments what you think. So for shorts, we just have these from Abercrombie & Fitch, kind of like acid wash style shorts. They have distressing. These are so cute though. I love them on. Up top, we have a crop top from Abercrombie & Fitch as well. This thing is so soft. I love it. I'm so tempted to go back and get it in the other two colors because I love it. It's so nice. For shoes, I'm thinking about wearing these little tennis shoes by Topshop. These are the candy tennis shoes in the rose gold. I really tried to get the leopard ones, but actually I'm really happy I got the white and rose gold because I don't know, I think they'll match with a lot more and they're really cute. I also have this pink denim jacket from Abercrombie & Fitch as well to either tie around my waist during the day when it's hot or put it on at nighttime. Then up here we have the Mickey ears. These are from Red Dress Boutique. I really don't like the black band, but once I put it on with my brown hair, you really can't tell. And I know it's not the exact same pink as the jacket, but once it's on, you really can't tell the difference. So this is kind of what I'm thinking for those. Really cute outfit there. Next over here we have a true Mickey Mouse Disney outfit. So the crop top is also from Abercrombie & Fitch. I know a lot of the things in this video are from there. I'm sorry. But I love this little shirt. It's so cute. I don't have a lot of Disney stuff because I've really only been once when I was like younger. So I found this and it was pretty affordable, so I picked it up and I'm so happy I did. Then I paired it with these shorts. They are just very, very, very distressed, very comfortable. They have all the studding right here, which just adds such a fun detail, but you can't feel the studs underneath, so they're very comfortable. I love wearing these. I got these from Missguided actually a couple years ago, so those are some of my favorites. I do have red and black Mickey ears that I might wear with this outfit, but I just don't have them here. They're at my parents' house actually. And then for shoes, I think I might wear these Steve Madden tennis shoes. I love the platform on these. They're just so pretty. They add a little height, which I appreciate, but they're still so, so, so comfortable. But yeah, as you can see, they're kind of like a stretchy sort of elastic material, which makes them super, super comfortable. Over here, we have like a red and white outfit for this shirt. First of all, I got this on Amazon and it's actually really fun. It's like very colorfully speckled and it's like yellow and blue, which is like the perfect colors for Disney. And I'm actually going to put a saying on this with my Cricut that says love with the Disney ears on it. So that'll be really cute. Then I just paired it with these white denim shorts also from Abercrombie & Fitch. I swear they make my absolute favorite shorts. If you have not tried Abercrombie & Fitch shorts, I definitely recommend them because they are so comfortable and so cute, and you can find a ton of different styles, so I definitely recommend those. For a little jacket with this outfit, I paired it with this little, it's actually not too much of a jacket, it's more of like a shirt from American Eagle, and it's cropped, which is nice. It has just like a unfinished hem down here. I also paired this outfit with this white hat that says best day ever. I ordered that from Etsy and it's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. It just came in the mail today. For shoes, I'm just going to wear this outfit with my platform Converse. Again, I love the platform on these. I like how they are just the black and white. Other Converse have the red on the bottom, but the platform ones have black, and I really like that. Those will be super comfortable. Then for my bag that I will basically carry every single day. So I ordered a backpack from Urban Outfitters, but I'm not sure if it'll get here on time. So I picked up this one while I was at Target. It has this little front pocket, which is nice for carrying portable charger, your phone when you go on rides. So I actually got this in white, and then I did get it in black as well, so I can just return whichever one I don't end up wearing. But I think these are great, and I read everywhere that you need to have a backpack or a larger crossbody bag. I wanted to be hands-free, so I did pick up these backpacks. Like I said, they were pretty inexpensive from Target, and I can return them if I don't use them. So this outfit I am so excited about. This is a romper. It's kind of like a utility romper. This is also from Abercrombie & Fitch, and I was a little nervous about this one because I didn't want it to be too thick of a material because I didn't want to get hot. But it's actually so thin. It's almost like a linen, but like a soft linen. I don't even know. It's so nice, and this is literally going to be my most comfortable outfit, I swear. So I love this. Again, with this outfit, I could even pair that best day ever hat or my red and black Mickey ears, something like that. So I'll probably pair a hat or Mickey ears with each of these outfits, by the way. It just depends on what I'm feeling that day. And for this, I have sitting here my Vans slip-ons, and I'm going to bring these. I actually might wear them on the flight, but I'm not sure if I'll wear these to the park. I'm not sure if they're comfortable enough. But with this outfit, I tried it on with the Converse, and I really liked how it looked with that. I also could wear it with those black tennis shoes or these slip-ons. So I'm really not sure yet, but either way, it'll be very cute. Then over here, we have another casual outfit. For the top, we just have a t-shirt from Topshop. I got this from Nordstrom. It just has the rolled up sleeves, and I tied a knot in the front because I think that looks really good with the high-waisted shorts. These are another pair of shorts from Abercrombie & Fitch. I love them, like I said. And then for shoes, I have these really cute tennis shoes from Aldo, actually. So they're just tan, but they have a little bit of gold detailing, which I appreciate. They're very, very comfortable, but they look good with like more dressed up outfits as well. So for the last park outfit, we have just another same concept outfit. We have the white shorts from Abercrombie & Fitch, and then we have a pink crop top up top that is from Red Dress Boutique. I actually paired this with a belt because these shorts are so big that I have to have a belt with them. I'm packing them anyways because they're the only white shorts that I really have. So I'm just going to pair them with this belt. Then for shoes, we just have these Topshop tennis shoes as well. The rose gold ones. I think that they just look so good with the pink and white outfits. They're really cute. Then over here, we have another casual outfit that I might wear on the plane there. We just have some mom jeans from American Eagle, and then a little camo tee from Express that I tied in a knot. Because the jeans are high-waisted. Then we do have a couple of dinners where we have to dress a little nicer. So for that, I'm packing this jumpsuit from Express. It's very, very cute and not too hot. I know a lot of jumpsuits can be a little hot, but this one is not. It's perfect for summertime. And then I just have it paired with these heels from Steve Madden. I actually might return these though because I didn't really like them, and then just go get the similar ones from Target. Much cheaper, and I think I would like those better. And then over here, I just have this romper from Vici Collection. It's very wrinkled right now, so I'll definitely have to pack my portable steamer, but I love this. It's just like a little tie-dye romper. It's very comfortable, very cool, so you're not gonna get hot. I'll either pair this with some black sandals, maybe some gold sandals, or if we do need to dress a little nicer, maybe some black heels just like that. So that's kind of what I have for those outfits. So now I'm going to show you guys what toiletries and like body products that I'm bringing, I guess is what you would call it. So I will start over here in this section. So this is what I'm bringing as far as like body products, I guess that's what I'll call them. So as far as maintaining my tan, so I'm going to self tan tonight before I leave. I need to maintain that throughout the vacation so it doesn't get like streaky, anything like that. So I am going to bring my Tan Luxe the body self tan drops and the Tan Luxe the face self tan drops, just because these are very easy to apply even if you don't have a lot of time. So that's why I like those. You don't have to like rinse them off or anything. So I like those. I'm gonna pack some sunscreen just because we are going to Florida. You need sunscreen. Then for like body lotion that I'll need to mix in my tanning drops, I have my Jergens Natural Glow, and then I also am bringing Bum Bum Cream. I'll probably just bring this bigger one to finish it. I don't think I'm gonna bring this one because that's just unnecessary. In the back here, we have this little kit from Supergoop, and it just has a bunch of different like SPF products in it. So it has a setting mist, a sunscreen stick, a daily moisturizer, which is great. I'll put that on my face. Then there's a sample of the Unseen sunscreen, which is kind of like a primer, I think, and then a lip balm with SPF in it. So I thought this would be great for Disney and for going to Florida, so I picked that up. So there are the products themselves without the like packaging on it, so I'm gonna pack all of those. I am also going to pack, I know this is excessive, but I really want to bring this because it's new and fun. These are the Fenty Beauty, what are they called? Fenty Beauty Body Lava Body Luminizer. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's just like a body luminizer, and I really would love to take this because I think it's so pretty. I don't know, it makes me nervous like traveling with like a glass bottle like that, so we will see. And then for body sprays or perfumes, I'm taking my Brazilian Crush. I love that stuff. I literally don't vacation without it, and I'll probably take 2 perfumes. I right now have the Britney Spears Fantasy that is so freaking old, but I think it's like very sweet smelling, and I think it would be, I don't know, it gives me Disney vibes. And then my Chanel Chance, which I love. Then over here we have like toiletries, like necessities. So first we just have body wash, which is just the Sol de Janeiro body wash as well. Love that. Then we have my shampoo and conditioner. I have Lanza shampoo and conditioner that I use like at home, just in these little travel tubes from Sephora. I have my Hello toothpaste. That's just the smallest tube of toothpaste that I have, so I'm bringing that. Then I have to bring my mini contact solution. That's a necessity. I'm gonna bring my loofah. I will also pack, of course, my toothbrush, deodorant, things like that, but I need those until I go, so I'm not gonna pack those yet. Then for skincare, I'm just bringing a small little Ole Henriksen cleanser. I have a little brightening skin oil, a moisturizer down here, a serum here that's just like a little sample, and then I am bringing my Dr. Brandt No More Baggage eye depuffing gel. Then lastly, for hair products, I'm bringing just a leave-in conditioner, a dry shampoo, a miniature hairspray by Amika, and the Way Wave Spray. So those are all of the little toiletry, like body product items that I'm taking. I am gonna pack makeup, but honestly, I'm not gonna like show that because, you know, that's just pretty basic. And then for jewelry, here is what I'm packing. So I'm trying to keep jewelry pretty minimal. What I'm bringing is number 1, my leopard watch band. This will just be comfortable for during the day. Then over here, I'm bringing lots of different basic gold hoops. So we have our small Nadri ones from Nordstrom. I love these ones, and honestly I will probably wear these like day to day in the parks, and if I'm not wearing those, I'll probably be wearing simple studs like that. I do have these little gold hoops from Urban Outfitters. They're just small but a little chunkier. I have my very thin gold hoops. We have my dramatic bauble bar earrings, some little tortoise and black ones, and then the studs. So that's all for earrings. For necklaces, we have my classic bauble bar necklace that I literally wear all the time. That goes with like almost everything, so I'm definitely bringing that. We have one dramatic necklace that specifically goes with one outfit, but could probably look good with multiple outfits too. Back in the back, we have a dainty 3-layer necklace. It's kind of like a mid-length. Then we have this black one that I just got from Vici. Over here we have more necklaces. These are all just really dainty gold necklaces that I can wear during the day or with some of my like higher cut rompers and stuff. And then lastly, we just have a few bracelets. I guess it's more than a few, but we have a few like silver ones I think I just got from Amazon. I have my gold and silver and black Kate Spade watch, a couple stacking bracelets, this little Fearless bracelet I shared in my March favorites. We have another Henry Bendel bracelet, and then this one from Target. So that is all of the jewelry that I'm bringing. Alrighty guys, we are finishing the final touches on packing. So I have my big suitcase here that I need to pack my makeup in, which is right here in this big old guy. So we have makeup there. Toiletries here. Guys, guess what came in? I wonder if I can put these on with one hand. Nope. I'm so excited because I didn't think that these ears would come in, and they did, and they're so cute. These were $10 from Etsy, so definitely check them out if you're going to Disney anytime soon. I love these. They're just like all white. And they're so freaking cute, and I'm so happy that they came today. They were supposed to get delivered tomorrow, which is Friday, and I'm leaving at like 6 or 7 a.m. tomorrow, so I'm like, that's not gonna work. But they were delivered a day early, and I'm so freaking happy. So yay, gonna pack these. Gonna pack my little backpack in my carry-on right here. So I'm just taking my matching carry-on to my big suitcase, and then on top of that I will have this little carry-on as well. So I have a lot of stuff, guys. I know, we all know. And also this room is a disaster, so don't judge. Alrighty guys, so here is everything packed and ready to go except for my curling iron, my straightener, and my little tiny bag of contacts, deodorant, toothbrush, things that I need tomorrow morning. But other than that, it is all in here. So I will kind of take you guys through my big suitcase. I just have a little empty backpack here that I could probably put things in to save space. Then I have my 4 packing cubes. So I have the 2 larger ones on the bottom and the 2 smaller ones right there. I have these little bags for laundry, little black cardigan there. Then over here we have my bras, as you guys can see. And then if you unzip this part, we have my 3 handbags that I'm bringing, a few pairs of shoes. This holds body products like perfumes, lotions, body oils, things like that. This includes toiletries, shower stuff, loofah, shampoo, conditioner, blah blah blah. And then in here we have my makeup, which I will need tomorrow morning, but for now it's just sitting there. So that's all for my big suitcase. Then over here for my little one, I have 4 pair of tennis shoes right there, and then 2 pair of sandals right there on top. And then in this zipped compartment I just have a jacket, another jean jacket right there, my Disney day bag, my Disney ears, sunglasses, and a few hats right there. So that is everything that I'm packing, and yeah, I think we're good to go. And then like I said, the only other thing that I'm packing is this for my carry-on, and really this won't have too much in it. Right now I just have my portable charger. It will have my wallet in here. It'll have my laptop charger, my phone charger, my battery for my camera equipment. So basically this is the technology compartment. So that is what I'm bringing for my carry-on on the plane. Alrighty guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. All of you Disney lovers out there, let me know what you guys think about what I packed. Is it, I don't know. I know I'm an overpacker. It's way too much, I'm sure, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Like I said in the beginning, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that Disney vlog coming very soon. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.